Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion, that is 1405 longest happy string, and a string is called happy if it satisfies the following condition, that S contains only the letters A, B and C, and S does not contain any substring of triple A, triple B or triple C, and S has at most A occurrences of the letter A, B and C respectively, like A, B, C and A, B, C. Yeah, I hope you get it. Okay, and we'll be given three integers a, b and c, and we have to return the longest possible happy string, and if there are multiple longest happy strings we have to return any of them, and if there is no string we have to return the empty string, and a substring. I hope everyone knows that. In this we are having 1a, 1b and 7c, so these are the at most number of each character which we have to use to generate a happy string. So this is one of the possible valid happy strings, CC, A, CC, B, CC. So you can see it follows all these five constraints. So that is why it's a happy string. Another possible answer is this, which we replace the positions of A and B. Alright, so for solving this, we have to approach greedily a little bit. What we can check is we'll be having we'll be using greedy, like firstly we'll be appending one character of the most like the character which we can use the most, then we'll be adding like moving forward to the next iteration we'll be checking the condition that okay the last two characters are valid, and the third character which we are going to append is not this particular is not a C, so we can move ahead, and this is how we'll be approaching it. Okay, so for this let's have firstly a queue of integer array, and array, let's call it pq or maxheap that is equal to a new priority queue, and we will be sorting it on the basis of their frequency a comma b, so that comes up a1 comma b1, b1 minus a1, b1 minus a1. Okay, now let's update this maxheap. So maxheap dot add new int of character a with its frequency a. Similarly for b comma b and c comma c. Now let's have a string builder answer. So r is equal to a new string builder. Okay, now while not maxheap dot is empty. Okay, what I'll be doing is firstly I'll be popping out the current element, current, so that is equal to maxheap dot poll, and then I'll be checking a few conditions that if the length of answer dot length is greater than 2 and answer dot char at answer dot length minus 1 is equal to current 0, and similarly the second last character as well. So basically we can't append this particular character because it will be forming substring of triple A, triple B or triple C. So length minus 2. In this case we'll have to move forward towards the next element, and also we'll have another check that if max heap is empty we cannot move ahead, dot is empty. We'll have to break it out from the while loop. Okay, else we'll be popping out the next, so and next array, oh yeah, and next, so that will be equal to uh, max heap dot poll. I'm just worried that if we need to typecast it further ahead, and then I'll be doing a answer dot append, not sp, answer dot append next 0, and then I'll be decrementing the frequency for this. So next 1 minus minus, and then I'll be checking that if next 1 count is greater than 0, then I'll have to add it to the max heap dot add next again. Oh yeah, maxi dot add next. Else, if we are having if this was the case in which we are having the same character, if we are not having the same character, like the last two characters are not same as the current character, so we'll have to append the current character. Okay, so sb dot answer dot append current 0th element, and then we'll be decrementing the frequency of current 1 minus minus. Then I'll be adding again of check that if current 1 is greater than 0, so answer dot up, oh sorry, max heap dot add current, yeah, and at the end let's just return answer dot to string, and let's give it a run. Wish we don't have to worry about the typecasting thing. Ah, is already defined. Oh, okay, so let's call it p1, p2, p2, and p1. Just muscle memory things. Give me a wrong answer. Oh yeah, obviously the typecasting thing. The thing which I was worried about the most. So let's do a typecast for everything. Char. Oh, and here as well. Now let's give it a run. I wish I don't have to add a check for it here. CC. Oh, okay. I must have made some mistakes. So current 0, current 1. Uh, oh, here it should be greater than or equal to 2. Still CCAB. Answer dot length minus 2 is equal to. Okay, if max equals empty, then I'll have to break next pair. I don't think so that this should cause an issue, but okay, I'll just go through it again. Oh yeah, I forgot to add it, the current character back to the max heap. So max heap dot add current. No, let's give it a run again. Oh, still error AB. Okay, which, oh, here I need to add, if check says with the phrase is greater than 0, then only I'll have to add it. So let's wrap it in a curly braces. Then if b is greater than 0, then only uh, how to move it. Oh sorry, yeah, so I'll just cut it instead. Yeah, then another, if c is greater than 0, then only I'll add it to. Yeah, now let's give it a run again, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it, and works probably fine as well, and it's accepted. Okay, so this was today. Thank you for watching.